In this video, we're comparing two Berseem clover varieties that were part of a 175-day legume study in the Southeast, Balady 1 and Lightning. These observations offer hands-on insights into the distinct characteristics of single-cut versus multi-cut clovers. Join us as we explore the similarities, differences, and potential applications of these versatile varieties. Starting with the root structures, Balady 1 and Lightning share remarkable similarities, with most of their roots concentrated within the first 4 to 6 inches of soil, and a few penetrating deeper. Above ground, both varieties feature stout stems, and their leaf shapes and sizes are nearly identical. However, this is where their similarities end. Balady 1 rapidly shoots up from the base, developing a tree-like structure with most of the leafy growth concentrated at the top. As it matures, it forms thick yet tender stems, with minimal leaves at the base. Due to this growth pattern, Balady 1 is best suited as a single-cut or sacrifice variety. After the initial cut, it lacks the necessary foliage for regrowth, making it less suitable for multiple grazings or cuttings. However, it's ideal for early-season wildlife food plots, cover cropping, or single-cut hay. Additionally, its vertical growth makes it an excellent companion plant, as it doesn't crowd out other plants at the base. In contrast, Lightning grows more slowly and matures later than Balady 1. Its growth starts at the base, spreading out closer to the soil level. Even in its early stages, Lightning exhibits more leafy activity at the base when compared to Balady 1. As it matures, it eventually reaches the same height, but maintains significantly more vegetative growth throughout the plant. Thanks to its ground-level growth, Lightning is considered a multi-cut variety. It retains enough leafy material after being initially grazed or browsed close to the base to regrow, providing forage over a longer period. While Balady 1 and Lightning share similarities in root structure, alfalfa-like forage quality, nitrogen fixation, and biomass production, their applications differ. If you're looking for a short-term, fast-growing cover crop, hay, or forage, Balady 1 is the clear choice. It excels in mixed plantings and is easy to harvest. On the other hand, if you need a clover that can be grazed or harvested multiple times and provide forage throughout the season, a multi-cut variety like Lightning is your best bet. Your choice ultimately depends on your specific goals. Learn more about these clovers at smithseed.com.